Right now, the money in your pocket is not just paper. It is actually a contract connected to the largest system of trust in the world. But that contract can be broken in a single night. The dollar is not just America's currency. More than 80% of global trade runs through it. But this power depends entirely on trust. Oil, natural gas, gold, all of them are priced in dollars. But behind this system, there is no physical necessity, only a historical agreement. And the truth is, this system has been quietly cracking for years. Debt is growing, interest rates are rising, and trust is slowly fading away. One night, a massive liquidity crisis begins in the US financial system. Banks suddenly stop lending to each other. At first, everyone thinks it is just a temporary fluctuation, but the system is no longer responding. A major bank signals failure, and that moment becomes the first spark of a chain reaction. Markets enter panic mode. Within seconds, investors start selling dollars, but they cannot find buyers. Liquidity dries up. Money exists, but it does not move. The system is locked. The dollar index begins to fall. But this is not a normal market move. This is a collapse of trust. When Asian markets open, the shock spreads. Because the problem is no longer just America. It is the entire global system. China, Japan, and European central banks are called into emergency meetings. But it is already too late to fix. Oil prices begin to fluctuate uncontrollably because even the pricing mechanism is collapsing. Countries trading in dollars can no longer make payments. A global trade comes to a halt. Ships wait in ports. Goods do not move. The system is physically frozen. The supply chain breaks. Products stop reaching shelves. The global flow is gone. Panic buying begins in markets. People start stocking up without even understanding what is happening. Food prices rise within hours. Money is rapidly losing its value. Bank runs begin. People feel their money is no longer safe. ATMs stop working. Digital systems stop responding. Governments impose emergency restrictions. Capital controls begin. People no longer trust money. They trust goods. The system has reversed. Digital banking reaches the point of collapse. Data flow stops. The world is forced to search for a new system, but no system is ready. At the center of the crisis is no longer the economy. It is trust, and that trust is gone. Some countries return to their own currencies, but this accelerates fragmentation. The global economy is no longer one system. It becomes a structure of multiple crises. For the first time in the modern era, humanity faces a world without a global currency. But the truth is, systems do not collapse in one night. First, trust collapses, then money. And perhaps the most terrifying truth is this: this scenario is not impossible. It is only delayed.